Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by choosing high-impact work, not busy work. Identify 3 priorities and assign 60-90-minute focused blocks to each. This gives depth, not frenzy. Once done, cut 2 chief distractions, phone and irrelevant tabs, and put them out of reach so your brain can sustain effort. Make sure to label what success means with a visible metric: % complete, tasks finished, or dollar value. That clarity tells you where to start now and why it matters. You now move into execution using deliberate systems. Start with time cycles, 25/5 or 60/10, and stick to the timer so momentum builds. This prevents drift. Then decompose each priority into 15-30-minute sub-steps and estimate time for each, which keeps progress measurable. Once done, batch similar tasks and apply templates for repeated work to save decision energy. Make sure to log 1 metric after each cycle, because small records reveal patterns you can improve. You close by finishing with intent. Spend 10 minutes reviewing outcomes, blockers, and the next steps so work never vanishes into limbo. Once done, archive completed items and update your backlog and calendar to prevent rework. If something goes wrong, isolate the blocker and convert it into one clear question you can ask a colleague or test quickly. Make sure to retry with a narrower scope. Small experiments reveal whether the fix works and keeps momentum alive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.